The US blockade on Hormuz Strait is becoming a quagmire for the US President Donald J. Trump, as the president and his allies were trying to push Iran more deep down to make sure that Iran is in line with the conditions the US authority has proposed. In exchange, the newly elected Iranian speaker, Mr. Ghalibaf, clearly outlines that no conditions will be accepted by Iran or Iranian authority or will be passed in the Iranian parliament if any condition goes against the interest of the people of Iran, which includes, as per the information we are getting from different sources, including the spokesperson of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the foreign minister and the other dignitaries, especially military leadership, that Iran will not give up their rights to the nuclear enrichment, and also they will not hand over any enriched uranium to the US authority. They are claiming a reparation from the US authority and Israel for the destruction during the war. They are also claiming 100% control over the Strait of Hormuz. So, this blockade is not a case to win. It's completely a loss case for the US. And Donald Trump is trying his level best to divert people's concentration, as all on a sudden he's bringing the previous Greenland issue and other issues. In the meantime, the US is going
أعوذ
through
بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
a
بسم
kind of
الله الرحمن
preparation
الرحيم
for
الصلاة
midterm
والسلام
election.
عليك يا رسول
And
الله الصلاة والسلام
Donald
عليك
Trump
يا
is
حبيب
under
الله.
pressure
Good morning to
domestically, and
everybody
internationally
and
he is under pressure
happy Bangla New
in
Year to
terms
all.
of European Union
I
and
thank
his
HWPL for
old age
organizing
allies
today's session
are
and I welcome
kind
all
of
of you to my
showing their
discussion.
back to the president,
It's a
and
wonderful day
also
as
which
we
include
people
Canada,
from
Australia, New
different
Zealand,
communities are here
UK,
today. And for Cox's Bazar, we
Japan,
are very
these
rich
allies, and
in
also
terms of
China
community,
is
in
playing a
terms of
very
religions,
vital
in
role
terms
in
of races,
Iran-US
and in terms of
war,
languages.
and
If
it
we talk
seems
about
like
religion,
that
you will see
Iran
people from
is
Christian communities
becoming
in
more
Chokoria,
close
Buddhist
to
communities
the
in
authorities of
every
Russia
upazila
and
of Cox's
China,
Bazar, Muslim communities in
and
every
we
upazila and union, and Hindu
can
communities in
really
every
predict
union in
that
Cox's
their
Bazar.
ties are
And we
becoming
have
more
small
close than
Sikh
ever
community
before.
also in
So
Cox's Bazar.
if we
In
calculate
terms of
in
language,
kind of
we have
futuristic
people
manner
speaking
the
Bangla,
Iran-US war will not
Chittagonian,
kind of
and
long-lasting
English, and
impact
also Rakhine
in
language,
US-Iran
Chakma language,
relationship
and also
positively,
Rohingya language.
and let
We
alone
are
regime change,
a very diverse
but
community
even
also in
US
terms
has
of
failed
professions,
to
in terms of
kind
many
of
things. So we are
infiltrate or increase their
different
power
communities, but
in
we are
the
one.
Gulf
How?
region.
If we talk
In another
about
front,
the celebrations for
Gulf
Eid
countries
celebration, we
are
go to our
now
Muslim
under
brothers
pressure from their
during
people,
puja. We
and
visit
that
our Hindu
pressure is
sisters
being
and brothers
interpreted
during
as
Buddha
their
Purnima or water festival. We visit
long-lasting
the Buddhist
support, blind support to the US,
brothers and
as they are
sisters,
hosting
and
a big number
during
of
Happy New
US
Year of
forces on their lands.
English Happy New
So
Year,
they are
we
also
visit
under pressure, and that pressure is
our
being
Christian brothers and
interpreted
sisters.
as
Also, we celebrate
they
the
are under
Happy
pressure
New Year or
because they
31st
are
night.
supporting the US. So it's another
Now,
issue.
let me talk
So
from
in one
Quran
hand,
and Hadith regarding
Hormuz
our
blockade is
oneness,
not
regarding
giving the
our
US
togetherness, and
kind of
regarding
upper hand,
that we
as
are one human
we
being.
clearly
In
seen that
Quran,
every
from
day
Surah Baqarah,
ships are
ayat
passing through
number
the blockade,
256, Allah
and
says, La ikraha
Iran
fid
is
din. Let there be
kind of
no
earning
compulsion
money
in
from
religion.
the
We cannot
tolls they are
force anybody.
collecting from the
Why?
ships
Because
passing
Allah
through the
says
Hormuz,
that
and
we all
it is not
are,
kind
you
of
all
giving the
are
US upper
one.
hand.
How?
And
In
US President Donald
Surah
Trump is becoming more isolated.
Israel, Allah
And recently,
says
Politico
in
magazine
ayat
has
number
published one
70,
article named "The
وَلَقَدْ
Loneliest President." And if you read
كَرَّمْنَا
the
بَنِي
article, you'll see
آدَمَ
that the president
وَحَمَلْنَاهُمْ
is
فِي
really becoming
البر
isolated,
والبحر
and some kind of is under
ورزقناهم
pressure from
من
different
الطيبات
corners inside the country and outside the
وفضلناهم
country.
على
Thank you.
كثير ممن